I wrote one word, then stopped. That doesn't look quite right. So I reached for the little eraser. It was smaller than I remembered. The corners had all become round. I rubbed away the letters slowly. Little gray pieces fell onto the page. Funny how they always end up everywhere. I tried again this time. The word looked better, not perfect, just better. I looked at the little eraser for a moment. It used to be much bigger. I don't remember using it so much, but every spelling, every sentence, every little correction had taken just a little away. It never complained, it simply helped until the page made sense. I brushed the little rubber pieces into my hand, smiled and kept writing. Maybe that's what learning looks like, not getting everything right the first time, just being willing to begin again. Tomorrow there'll be more mistakes, more words, more little gray pieces on the desk, and probably a good sign, because every page that needed an eraser was also a page that someone was brave enough to write. And somehow that little eraser made room for one more try.